Hello, in this video I'm gonna give you 5 tips you can use for the camera on Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. So the first one is to change the resolution. So click on the settings and go for the photos. Here you can select front photo resolution and increase it to the 60 megapixels. This will improve the quality of your pictures by a lot. Next is to use the volume button for your pictures, as it may stabilize your pictures and prevent phone from moving when pressing on the button instead of the shutter, as you need to do this motion and it moves your camera. So use the volume buttons and take more stable photos with it. The third one would be to enable HDR right here. Make sure that it's enabled because it also might improve your photos quite a lot. The fourth one will be to change the brightness by clicking and focusing on one object, and right here you can see the slider and you can decrease or increase the brightness. The last trick is to click on the filters and right here choose the filter that fits your photos the most. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.